Hi all, this is Gautam for PGS Spot. In this video we are going to see about ARP. What is ARP and how does it works? Let's get into the video. First of all, what is an ARP? ARP is the Address Resolution Protocol. What does it used for? It helps to detect the MAC address of a remote PC or remote device, whatever it be, in order for transmission of data. First, how does ARP works? We just look into it. Okay. If host A wants to communicate with the host B, how does it work? First consider here as a switch. It is being connected to the host A is connected to the port number 1 and host B is connected to the port number 2, and host 3 here, this PC is being connected to the port number 3, and host D here is connected to the port number 4. Now host A wants to communicate with host B. Here the IP address and the MAC address has been assigned for host A and host B. Suppose if it needs to know about this MAC address, first initially if it needs to ping, that is 192.168.1.2. Now host A is trying to ping 192.168.1.2. Here I am just writing as it is trying to ping 192.168.1.2. Since it doesn't have any idea about a MAC address of the host B, what does it do? It uses the ARP protocol. What does it do means it just sends a broadcast frame FFFF to all the ports except the port to which it is being received. The switch here will generate broadcast frame FFFF to all the ports, port number 2, 3 and 4 except 1, because it is being received on the port number 1. It is being generated to all other ports. So generally what does it means? The broadcast frame tells us that who has 192.168.1.1 and what is your MAC address. This is what it is asking about, and it will be received by all other PCs over here, and all other PCs will reply back. Not all other will reply back, only the one with a concerned IP address will reply. That is here in the sense it is host B that has the IP address of 192.168.1.2. it will reply back to the host A as, yeah, it's me, I am having 192.168.1.2 and this is my MAC address, just make a note of my MAC address, this. So it will reply in the unicast format, So the next time when host A wants to reach a host B, what does it do means it just sends a unicast packet to the port number 2, the switch. It will be given to the switch will send it to the host port number 2. It will not do a broadcast frame, it just sends it to the port number 2. So it helps to avoid a broadcast again. Once it is been done, the data will be stored in the table, so next time it will send a unicast frame and the process goes on like this. This is how the ARP works, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.